Hey girls, look at my beautiful fancy silk robe. For Rosny and Georges, for my new American girlfriends. Look, silky and horny. Silky and sassy, I mean to say. Sassy and sassy for my new girlfriends. I do have a girlfriend, but I can't tell mum and dad about this because Alice is my best friend and girlfriend. She's my future girlfriend, Alison. And Juliet is my main girlfriend. And Chelsea is my main my sex girlfriend, my sexy hot future girlfriend. Or we could do pornography videos, or porn stars like Savage and Lizzie Ann. They're my beautiful friends too. Never met before. I do know them. Look at the porn. It's nice at the pool, it is. Nice at the pool. Look at the pool, guys. Nice at the pool. I'll put my legs in the pool. Are they? It looks very nice. I have my pool in Los Angeles, California. It's gonna be a bit better. And that's big backyard with a 7-meter pool. I think a big pool. I want a fiberglass pool, 10 meters or 6 meters, maybe 10. We're gonna get a nice shallow 10 meters in and 6 meters shallow water, just like this one. Not too deep. I want some chairs. There's a beach chairs, like lounge chairs, or from Lowe's. Or could buy something else from Lowe's. There's warehouse in California, it is. And Canada and Walmart. And Alaska will go to next, I think. So I met my future girlfriend in New York, Juliet. She is the best girlfriend ever had for a long time. One day I'm going to marry you one day to Juliet. And Bonnie can come along too, as well. My best friend, as well. Look at my sassy robe. It looks very beautiful and nice. Look nice. Tell me what's your favorite silk robe? What favorite color? Is it was pink? Was red? Or is it green? Is it bright green or just green? Or is it just, I never find out the other colors as well. Yellow. Must say yellow silk robe color. And there's purple, green, yellow, white, blue. There's the same color as my parachute color as well. That's what we'll get next. A new parachute when you go to California to live. A big warehouse for my gaming PC build as well. so I can do my Silk Robe videos with my girlfriends. And the best, get me PC building around. I want to do like in my business travel, business class as well. My first business, what's it called? Commercial airlines. Dreamliner 787. It will have cargo in the bottom, and it will have showers, 4 king size beds and 4 queen size beds, 4 different cabins as well. I will not have king singles beds. Too small. It is a bit small. Maybe a cabin PVC airband. That's the future I want to have. And that's all I need to say as well. This is my future vlog. My first vlogs at the pool vlog Silk Robe. It's cool. Is Anthony? Give me PC builder at Silk Robe. Bye. Anthony says.